Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 22 June 2018, 13 of hour, 47 of minute and 01 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what does SAE stand for nuts and bolts? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what does SAE stand for nuts and bolts. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what does SAE stand for nuts and bolts. These terms and quantities are arbitrary, but are indeed engineering standards established by the SAE, Society of Automotive Engineering. It is just one of many standards they have established and maintained. When it comes to metric hardware, there can be up to 4 different thread pitches for a given size of fastener. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.